Hello, it's DMV Test Buddy again. Today, we'll tackle another tricky situation that only 30% of the preliminary survey participants solved. That's because it's not a very common situation, and as we know, the rules we rarely use are forgotten very quickly. Let's see how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Which driver is allowed to go straight? A. Only the driver of the white car. B. The drivers of the white and black cars. C. The drivers of the black and yellow cars. D. Only the driver of the yellow car. E. No one is allowed. F. Everyone is allowed. They'll give you 10 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Then let's figure it out. The image from the task shows a T-shaped intersection. 3 cars are approaching it from one direction at the same time. All of them intend to go straight through the intersection. Our task is to determine which of them is allowed to do so according to the traffic rules. Let's take a closer look at the picture. To the right of the cars is a traffic light and a main road sign. The traffic light is equipped with an additional section with an arrow pointing forward. The main traffic light signal is red, but in the additional section, the arrow is green. To understand what this means, let's turn to the traffic rules. According to the traffic rules, traffic light signals in the form of arrows, red, yellow, or green, have the same force as regular round signals, but act only in the direction they indicate. A green arrow in an additional section allows movement in a given direction even when the main signal is red. Moreover, its effect extends to all traffic lanes. That is, if the green arrow is lit and points straight ahead, everyone standing at this traffic light is allowed to move straight ahead. Conclusion: all 3 cars are allowed to drive straight through the intersection. So the correct answer is option F. Everyone is allowed. So, confess, who of you quickly answered correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.